Aston's smallest sports car gets a fast folding roof, a twin-turbo V8 engine making 656 horsepower, and a 202 mile-per-hour top speed. Aston Martin revealed the new Vantage nearly a year ago. It's now expanding the lineup with the Vantage Roadster. Designed and engineered in parallel with the coupe, it allowed Aston to keep the car's weight under control without losing too much structural rigidity. The convertible weighs just 132 pounds more than its fixed-roof sibling.